Hello! Today, I would like to introduce 2023 Gwangju Global Business Day, organized by the Gwangju Design Center in South Korea and scheduled to take place in Gwangju Metropolitan City. This event is set to occur on Tuesday, September 19th, in Gwangju, a prominent city located in the southern region of South Korea. Buyers from 10 different countries and 20 companies who are interested in Korean export products will be attending, engaging in in-depth trade consultations regarding excellent Korean products. Especially, this event coincides with the Gwangju Design Biennial, allowing buyers to visit the biennial after their trade consultations. This provides an opportunity to explore a variety of products from Korea, including craft items, gift products, home appliances, and daily goods, all integrated with design elements. Through this, attendees will be able to evaluate design-integrated products that reflect the excellence and latest trends of Korean design. Please note that Gwangju Design Biennial will be held at the Gwangju Biennial Exhibition Hall from September 7th to November 7th, spanning 2 months. For those interested, I encourage to visit the website to access detailed information. For overseas buyers who cannot attend the event, I would like to introduce several Korean export products that will be showcased on the business day. Firstly, we have Koma electric bicycle from Korea Mobility. This next-generation electric bicycle features a futuristic design with hubble wheels and body frame LED lights. It incorporates functional aspects such as dual batteries and airless tires. Secondly, we have the Cocos Air Sterilizer from Bentech Frontier. In the wake of respiratory infections such as MERS, SARS, and the more recent COVID-19, the need for air sterilization has become crucial. Cocos boasts an impressive 99.9% removal rate of bacteria and viruses, regardless of their type. What sets it apart is its capability to cover a wide area of approximately 60 square meters, unlike regular air purifiers that cannot prevent the inhalation of harmful substances even from a slight distance. Thirdly, we have Rexy Doctor All-in-One Serum from Refine J, which is likely to appeal to women. The most notable feature of this product is its use of Centella asiatica extract, also known as Coca-Cola, instead of purified water. This ingredient plays a significant role in healing and soothing skin wounds. In addition to herbal extracts, various peptides, niacinamide, adenosine, and other components that promote skin calming, hydration, whitening, and elasticity enhancement are abundantly included. Additionally, the majority of these ingredients are derived from natural sources, making the serum gentle and non-irritating on the skin. Lastly, we have the air purifier from Zero Well. Zero Well, a specialized brand in air appliances, presents an air purifier that combines various functions, including a humidifier, aromatherapy diffuser, and mood light, in a 4-in-1 all-in-one care device. Each function showcases top-notch performance, and they offer a range of air purifiers in terms of size and performance, catering to various needs. The selection ranges from compact air purifiers suitable for vehicles to large home air purifiers. I have provided an introduction to this year's Global Business Day in Gwangju, South Korea, and we've also explored several exceptional design products. Please remember to take a keen interest in the Business Day scheduled for Tuesday, September 19th, as well as Gwangju Design Biennial. Until then, goodbye!